From the Green Campus at Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, Department of Management Studies welcomes applications for admission in its BBA and MBA program for the year 2023. Our institution offers a highly conducive atmosphere and state-of-the-art infrastructure to enhance the research and problem-solving abilities of our students. The Atal Incubation Center at SMIT provides the best motivation and resources to help aspiring entrepreneurs enrich their abilities and become the next generation of successful business leaders. To promote physical fitness, we have a modern indoor sports complex called Marina, where students can engage in a variety of sports like badminton, basketball, swimming, squash, tennis, and more. Our institution goes beyond traditional classroom teaching to provide leadership training and personality development programs. We encourage our students to step out of their comfort zones and believe in themselves. Our hostel provides twin sharing rooms with 24-hour water and power supply as well as free Wi-Fi. Our institution hosts numerous cultural events throughout the year, providing opportunities for students to showcase their unity in diversity.